Here at 10, combat veterans with the Woodville VFW have a new mission. They are gathering tons of supplies to send to North Carolina. They want to help the victims of Hurricane Helene get back on their feet. The Post and its 52 members teamed up with 10 other VFW Post to collect. Our Kyle Orr talked to their commander, and Kyle, they're getting ready, we understand, to head east and hit the road.
That's right, Jordan. They're planning to pack a 26-foot truck this Saturday to make the trek to the ravaged parts of the state. VFW Post 2033 Commander Michael King says they've collected everything from sweaters to blankets and even wheelchairs.
I reached out straight up to North Carolina and asked them, I said, what do y'all need? And their response quite simply was, we need everything.
When VFW Post 2033 Commander Michael King saw the devastation left by Hurricane Helene in North Carolina,
we looked at it in our membership and said, what can we do to help out?
Everyone knew it was time to step up.
I reached out to our district commander, said, here's the idea. I'd like to use Woodville and our post as a central reception for donated goods. If I can get the other 10 post within our district to also accept collections and donations, make it easy for people to donate.
Boxes of supplies from all over East Texas are stacked ceiling high, ready to find those who need them most.
Based on the level of destruction that we're seeing, this is not one of those, the storm's through and we're done 2 weeks later, 3 weeks later, everybody's back to normal life.
King says they're sending everything but food and water. And the supplies you see here are just a third of the total they'll haul in a 26-foot truck.
It's going to be full to the brim of stuff that they can use. So we've got curtains, blankets, sheets, boxes of new pillows. I think you've seen a couple of wheelchairs.
The truck will leave Woodville this Saturday to help those who have lost it all.
In the military, we have this saying there, embrace the suck. That's for us. There's no reason why, American citizens should be being asked to embrace the suck and just make it through. So if we're in a position we can do something to help them out, we should.
King says they're planning to collect their donations for spring. Now, we have information on how you can donate at 12newsnow.com. Live in studio, Kyle Orr, 12 News.